Log into your account and let's create a menu. On the left, all the course categories are already populated with your private online recipes. Menus are created and updated in real time and work only for online recipes. This means a small discrete QR code on your menus. Select the recipes for your menu, as many as you like. Why not all of them, and observe a list of your selection forming? Use the buttons to order the recipes according to taste per category or to remove them from the list. Give a title to your menu, for example, Season Special, Sunday Menu, or just Meal of the Day. Just click on Submit when ready and observe the new menu created on the right. This contains 2 QR codes. One to use on your hard copy menus and one for online use, but let's cover how you can generate revenue from these QR codes in another video. When a customer scans the QR code with the QRecipe Smart app, all the recipes in your menu are displayed on their mobile device. All recipes include a short description of the nutrition facts, an indicator based on their allergen, intolerance, dietary, cholesterol, diabetes preferences, and many more. Let's update the menu by clicking on Viewing and observing the lists swiftly populated and the categories expanded. Let's remove several of the menu's recipes for demonstration purposes. You can even update the title if you like, and once ready just submit the updated menu. Updated menus retain the original QR code so that you won't have to print them again, saving money for your business. Scanning the QR code fetches the menu, which now only has 4 recipes, in a matter of minutes. More features and revenue streams for food businesses are added every month. Join QRecipe to learn more and keep on improving food intelligence.